Building a startup is hard. So these are the top 3 things which I find the hardest in building my startup. The first one is you could be building a feature for months, but it gets absolutely zero traction. That can be crushing to the soul. The second one is managing investor expectations. Sometimes the investor's vision may not be aligned with what you feel as a founder is where the company should go. But at the end of the day, the investor funds the company, so you do have to keep them happy. And third one is the uncertainty. All my friends are already getting their first houses, paying the mortgages, and etc. But for us, as the founders, we don't know where we're going to be when the runway finishes. What's going to happen in 2 years' time? So this is something you have to kind of deal with. But being hard, that's kind of what makes it fun, and hopefully worth it.